So here's another practice checkmating with the queen. And of course, it doesn't have to be white checkmating black. So here it's black checkmating white. Again, I put the other king into the middle of the board to make it as hard as possible for black. So let's see what black is doing. So queen moves in. Again, there's that little L shape, right? And there, now the queen already is in the L shape. The white king tries to stay in the middle, so I might as well get the king in. Okay, king still is in there. Okay, get the king in here. Now, watch this. The king is actually forced out of the middle because all of these here are not possible for him to go there, these three here. So he has to get out. And now the queen, there you go. He's out of the middle. Great. Push him towards the edge. Keep pushing. There we go. Notice it doesn't matter which edge you're actually going to. Right, left, up, down. Doesn't matter. Any edge will do. And get close. And push him further and further to the edge. Now watch this. You cannot get here to make that little L shape. But the king is on the edge, and that's great. So put the queen over here. And there she is. And the king is on the edge. At this point, do not get the queen any closer, because you already got the king on the edge. Her own king, needs to help her. So here he comes. There and there. Now don't get him on this row here either. That's just too close. He needs to stay over here so he can protect the queen when she checkmates. And watch, there he is. There's the last move of the white king, and the queen will go over right here in order to checkmate. If the queen goes somewhere here and checks, well, again, the king can escape over there. So she only has one checkmate move, which is right here. And there she is. Checkmate. And again, now she's allowed to be close to the king, to the other king, because she's protected by her own king.